My name's Shelley Sorensen and I'm the project manager of Laboratoire Zwingli. We're based in Börzingen and we have a common goal with the Berner Fachhochschule to create an outdoor environment where we can bring culture, architecture and music together and to a broader audience to really enliven that scene in Biel and to bring culture to more people.
Within this project, we wanted to provide the citizens of Biel with a cultural space. Together with TOBS, we decided to partner up to build this open-air stage, which could be used in various locations by the musicians from the TOBS.
We have a long history of doing experimental and temporary work on an interdisciplinary basis. My role here is I'm responsible for the stability of these temporary structures. We are building elements out of prefabricated little pieces which we tie together into wall and roof structures, which can be very tricky.
Here we are at the lakeshore in Biel. We are with 75 students from the Joint Master of Architecture. They have 1 week where they first design, then they build the modules and then they build the construction on the lakeshore. For the architecture students, it's important to have not only theoretical courses but also very hands-on courses where they learn how to build the things that they were designing before.
It was a very nice experience because before I've never had experience of designing something and then immediately building it with kind of my own hands. And also I really appreciate the fact that we were working with a lot of specialists like engineers, structural engineers and musicians, which were clients. So it was nice to see this from like a lot of different perspectives and learn from different people in different fields.
For me, the coolest part of this project was working together with the wood engineers. I really hope that I have the opportunity to take such an interdisciplinary course again. And yeah, of course, the location here at the Lake of Biel was pretty nice.
"68 students, 168 elements were built in 1.5 days from scratch, bringing material in pieces and bricks and building it up into a stage that we have today. It's quite an achievement, I'd say. Everybody had to work hard, hard, hard. We had yesterday rain, today sun, loads of emotions.